Hello guys, this is a Panasonic RC-7053 flip clock radio. It has been fully restored. When I purchased this clock radio, I discovered that the snooze button was broken off from the casing. So I 3D print a new one. Now it works fine. Then a bigger problem, I discovered that there was no volume at all. So the first thing I tried was by replacing the potentiometer, since there was no resistant reading from the potentiometer. But then still there was no volume, so I started replacing all the capacitors. After replacing, I remember the bigger one, not the biggest one, the second biggest, the sound came back. Now everything works. Let's try the radio. I think this is the AM.
They'll be the porn stars, I mean, the other ones that I mentioned. But acting as if they're some...
You can switch from, you can use two tones. One is the treble, or one is the bass.
Makes it quick, easy, and best of all, free. Discover is now offering FICO credit scores.
When you're young like that? Exactly. Right short point.
How bad you do, or what happens when obstacles get in your way?
So it's not spelling recession. I mean, if the curve inverts, I get that. But it's not.
Let's try the FM stations.
Your destination.
FM 92.9, AM 1180 WSQR Local News. I'm Bill Hopkins. Ramps.
The man's got money hid everywhere.
Okay, let's try the auto alarm, which will play the radio. Set the time, play the radio, and let's try the chirping alarm. It works. So there's also a sleeping timer. You can set it from 0 to 60 minutes. And I have lubricated all the gears in the clock movement, so everything is working smoothly now. You can set the date of the week at the bottom. There's a button here. Okay. So after midnight, not instantly, it will switch to next day, but not instantly. It took about, last time it took about 18 minutes. It's on average. So everything works. I will put this on Etsy as usual. I'll also share more photos on my Flickr account. If you are interested, you can take a look, or you can leave a message below. Thank you.